Namaskar. I am Suresh Mulgaonkar, the author of this book, 250 tabla compositions by the old masters. This is book number 2. Book number 1 was published in 2021, and though in small numbers, it was well received and well appreciated also. I'm very happy we are now publishing the second book, which is also 250 bandishes of the old masters. And hopefully it will also receive good response from the tabla players. This was the first time when so many tabla bandishes were written and recited. We call it padant, and they were completely played in a video form, which amounted to almost about 8 hours of recording.
It is really a pleasure and a great joy to be witness to the release of the book of old bandishes on the tabla, conceived and curated, I might say, by our beloved Guruji Suresh Mulgaonkar, who is not only a tabla exponent, he's a Guruji, he's a Pandit, and he's an Ustad. This will be evident when one goes through the book and its corresponding recordings.
Words cannot begin to describe how happy and privileged and fortunate I am to be here with my Baba and all of you for the publication of his labor of love, the Old Masters 250 Bandishis. Tabla has been Baba's lifelong passion. I remember growing up to the sounds of tabla playing at all odd hours of the day and especially of the night. Baba has always been working, engrossed in his factory, in his day-to-day work. But after his retirement, he really took tabla to heart and rediscovered his passion. And during COVID, when many people were going through very trying times, Baba took that opportunity of this enforced isolation to channel all his passion, his energies into the creation of this book. The first of 2, the second of which we are publishing today.
Suresh, from his memory, has picked up or curated, let us say, these bandishes and put them in order, not just for their text or for their script. He has put them together in a design that expresses their aesthetic value, their aesthetic qualities, like the vazan, the chalan, and also its cadence.
Baba has been very vehement that tabla as an art and the knowledge of tabla should be disseminated widely to everyone, not just restricted to whatever you can gain from the teacher you're fortunate enough to learn from. So he really wanted to, it was this labor of love to collect all the bandishis to all the notes and then work with Pandit Nitin Degvekarji and others to bring it all to fruition in the form of the book, and working with Samir and Samir's family to have the recordings available so that everyone can benefit from this vast trove of music.
So it is a book of bandishes which are not played very often in the current times, but most of them are renditions from old masters, that is old gurus, the older gurus and ustads who have composed these bandishes.
For me, it was a great pleasure to be associated with this project. An honor also. An honor because recording and post-processing these tabla compositions actually composed by these great masters is really an honor. And working with Mulgaonkar Kaka at his age of 90 plus with such enthusiasm is really learning for us.
It will be a body of knowledge put forward in the open, transparently, so that tabla players can experience the entire musicality of the tabla as such.
On the recording front, we have actually tried to ensure the original sound of the tabla, with taking care that all those delicate and feeble notes are also contributing to the master tracks.
नमस्कार, मैं नितिन बाला साहेब डेगवेकर मुंबई से हूँ। मैं बहुत सौभाग्यशाली हूँ कि आज पंडित सुरेश मुलगांवकर जी की तबले की पुरानी बंदिशें, इसकी दूसरी आवृत्ति का विमोचन हुआ है। और मैं बहुत सौभाग्यशाली हूँ कि मुझे ये 2 किताबें, जो पहला विमोचन हुआ था वो 2021-22 में, और आज दूसरे किताब का विमोचन हुआ है, कुल मिला के 250 और 250 ऐसी 500 बंदिशें, तबले की पुराने उस्तादों ने जो बजाई हुई बंदिशें हैं, वो बंदिशें बजाने का सौभाग्य मुझे प्राप्त हुआ है। इसके लिए सबसे पहले तो पंडित सुरेश मुलगांवकर जी का तहे दिल से आभार। आशा व्यक्त करता हूँ कि जो मैंने गते बजाई हैं आप लोगों को सब पसंद आए। मैंने मेरी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश की है कि उसकी सुंदरता बनाए रखें।
नमस्कार, मैं अभिनय रवंदे, समाधिनी वादक। मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि सुरेश दादा के पुस्तक में मुझे और उसके रिकॉर्डिंग में नगमा बजाने का मौका मिला, और साथ ही में नितिन दादा के साथ भी मैंने अकम्पनी किया, तो मुझे उसमें बहुत आनंद मिला और बहुत सीखने वाली चीज़ें थी। और थैंक यू सो मच मुझे इसका पार्ट बनाने के लिए। थैंक यू।
आशा करता हूँ आप लोग सभी ये दूसरी किताब भी इसका आनंद लें, और जो मैंने प्रयास किया है उसको आप सराहा करें।
I hope that the tabla enthusiasts and students and even the tabla teachers and the gurus worldwide appreciate and benefit from this labor of love that Baba has done.
I am sure all these tabla players and performers will love this book. Per se, the hard copy and also audio video presentation done for this book.
So we congratulate Suresh Mulgaonkar in this huge effort that he has made in bringing out a book which is such a complete body of knowledge for all music people.
So, I mean, this is a joint effort of everybody, and in fact, that includes the printer and designer of my book. His name is Sushruth Kulkarni. He was here a little while ago, but he has also done a good job, and people have appreciated it. So thank you. Let us hope that we do some more projects, and we sort of enrich the literature on tabla, which has not been there in a big way. And thank you for listening to me. Thank you.